So if you're running an agency or any sort of businesses, and if you want to grow that business or agency, this video is for you. So you need to accept the fact that your time is very limited. And if you want to grow fast, you need to make sure other people work for you. So being a founder or agency owner, your duty should not be doing all this stuff by your own. Rather, your duty should be finding the right talent that can work on your behalf. So let the other talent work for you so that you could focus what matters the most for your agency or for your business. And I understand and I get it. During the process, they will do a lot of mistakes. They won't do as you wanted them to do, or they will do a lot of mistakes. But trust me, once they learn the process, they are the one who is going to help you a lot. So being a leader, your duty is to nurture them, train them, give them guidance, and let them work. Give them that freedom. And you need to accept the fact that initially they will do the mistake. But the more they will do, they will learn from the process, and the more they do these stuffs, they will get trained, and a time will come they will do better than yourself. That's my own experience. There are certain things I simply distribute it among my team, and they do their stuffs better than me. So if you really want to grow your business or your agency in a fast mode, you need to find the right talent, nurture them, train them, and give them the freedom. A freedom to do mistakes, a freedom to take risks, and the time will come they will do better than you. I hope it helps. Thank you.